the transmission thermostat valve or the oil cooler bypass valve for the transmission failure because of transmission overheating. Hello my friends. Today I'm going to replace the thermal valve or the transmission oil cooler bypass valve for 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. Follow me to see. Thank you. Xin chào các bạn nha. Bữa nay mình có chiếc xe Chevrolet 2019 mấy bạn. Mình thay cái cục mà giống như là nó cho nó làm cho cái transmission nó mát mấy bạn ha. Các bạn cố gắng theo dõi mình nha. Today we're going to replace the thermal transmission valve for the transmission. That one right here, they block the transmission is overheating. I know that one they working only in the morning. I think they stop the transmission flow until the transmission temperature, and they open the valve to allow the food go to the radiator. But that one right here, they block the transmission, they overheating. So today we're going to replace it. I think they call the thermostat for transmission. All right. Okay, set up it right here. You are 10 millimeter and the 30. You that one 10 millimeter. The transmission oil cooler, they built inside the radiator. Okay, millimeter.
Hey Hunter, you can get that Jeep off the alignment rack for me? Get the Jeep off the alignment rack for me?
Okay, let's
Go ahead.
to get the bracket on the transmission line. Transmission line out.
Be careful not to pry too hard because those lines can break.
The 13 millimeter bolt.
Go back, go ahead and pry it out. Make sure you do have a bucket under here. So when you do pry it out, there's not fluid all over the place. And be advised, please make sure you have the car sit 10 to 15 minutes.
Good coming out. A little bit. Alright. that? That's the valve right here. We'll keep two O-ring. Put all two O-ring back. Go to replace that back.
You're gonna replace the valve, but you're gonna keep the O-rings.
Yeah. This is the old one, right? This is the new one. We go to get the O-ring here. You put the back in the car. Put the back there. Only the old one, put it back. Because you use the old same gasket here too. Yeah. I put that one in here.
$13mm bolt back in. I paused it.
And we start see they leaking or not. Make sure they don't leaking. Okay, I start the engine. Make sure they no leaking. Looking good. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Video tiếp theo các bạn, mời các bạn theo dõi ủng hộ kênh Silverado nha. Con quên chúc các bạn một ngày vui vẻ hạnh phúc bên gia đình. Xin chào.